This is the 66 Fit Elite Physio Wedge Cushion. As you can see, the wedge is an 8-degree wedge, but you've got this slightly different shape here. I'll show you that when we put it down on the chair, but that's basically so as you sit down on it and the weight of your legs pushes down, it forms to the shape of the chair and you still manage to maintain the 8-degree tilt. Like all 66 Fit Elite cushions, it's got the breathable airflow material on the outside. On the reverse side, we've got a much harder wearing material that's also designed to provide some grip when you're putting it down on a chair like this office chair that we've got here. As well as that, you've got a zip on the back, so if you want to take the outer layer off and hand wash it or put that in the washing machine, you can do so. Now, as I say, when you put this down on the chair, you can see that the front comes up a little bit, but as you sit down on it and the weight of your legs presses down on the front of the cushion, it does form to the shape of the chair and you still maintain that 8-degree tilt. The actual cushion itself is designed for when you sit down on it, it puts a slight tilt on your pelvis, tips your pelvis forwards, makes you sit up straight and puts that natural S shape in your spine, which a lot of us tend to lose when sitting down at an office chair, typing away on the computer all day, and we tend to slouch forwards a little bit. When you do sit on it, make sure that you've got it pushed towards the back of the chair, because you also want to make sure you're using the backrest of the chair just to push you up that little bit more. You can also use another back cushion if you've got one of those. The two will work in conjunction with one another. Sit down on the cushion, small of your back pushed into the chair, or as I say, your other cushion if you've got one of those. You naturally sit up straight as soon as you sit on the cushion, and you'll feel it tip your pelvis forwards that little bit and put that natural curve in your spine. You might need to play around a little bit with the positioning of the cushion, because obviously everybody's different shapes and sizes. Some people are shorter, some people are taller. But as long as you are sitting up nice and straight, you've got a nice natural curve in your spine and you're not slouching forwards, you should be good to go.